Okay, name the 5 isomers of C6H14. So this also follows the C sub n H2n plus 2, and that means that it's just simple alkanes, so no alkenes, no double bonds or rings. And so the first one is the easiest one to draw. That's just hexane, N-hexane. You can also just call it hexane. So let's call that hexane. Now, let's just, the easiest thing to do is just, let's say, take a methyl off the end and put it somewhere in the middle. So we'll take this methyl off and stick it on this carbon here. Okay, so let's name that one. Well, now the longest chain is a 5-carbon chain, and we'll number it, giving the first substituent the lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentane, and it's 2-methyl pentane. So even though it's C6 here, since it's branched, we name it as a pentane. Okay, let's see. What if we move that methyl over here to the 3-carbon? So let's just keep our linear pentane chain and then move that methyl over to this carbon. So now, if we number, it doesn't matter which place where we start numbering, we get the same answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, either way. So this one is 3-methyl pentane. Okay, well, so we've exhausted sort of we've exhausted the possibilities of putting a methyl on a pentane chain. Let's see what happens if we put a butane chain first, and then we need 2 more carbons. So we could put a carbon here. Let's see, let's put a methyl there, and I don't know, let's put a methyl here. So now we have 6 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we can just number 1, 2, 3, 4. The longest chain is a butane chain, and it looks like this is going to be 2, 3 dimethyl butane. And it says name the 5 isomers. So we know we have 1 left. Sometimes it's hard to actually know when you're done or know how many isomers there are. But we know we have 1 more, so let's try our butane chain again. So butane, 4-carbon chain. And then what happens if we put the 2 methyls on the same carbon? So on the same carbon here. Now that is a new compound, and we can number that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to give those 2 methyl groups on the 2-carbon. Put those on the 2-carbon instead of on the 3-carbon to give them the lowest possible number. So this is 2,2-dimethyl butane. And we're done. The 5 isomers of C6H14.